Hello student, welcome to Mathmaster Plus in nice algebraic mathematical problem. Today we are solving x plus x is equal to x into x. We are finding the value of x. Now we are starting the solution. X plus x is equal to x into power 1 into x into power 1 into x into power 1. So now we are solving 3 into power x is equal to x into power 3. 3x is equal to x into power 3. So now x into power 3 is equal to minus 3x. So in next step we are solving x into 3 minus is equal to minus 3x. X into 3 is equal to minus 3x. X this moving to this side, x into 3 minus 3x is equal to 0. Now this will be x into x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0, and in this x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus square root of 3 into square is equal to 0. This will be x plus under root 3 and x minus under root 3 is equal to 0. Now this side x plus under root 3 is equal to 0, and this side x minus under root 3 is equal to 0. Now we have three answers of this short tricky math Olympiad problem. Our first answer is x is equal to 0, x is equal to plus x is equal to x plus under root 3 is equal to 0. This will be x is equal to minus under root 3, and this x is equal to plus under root 3. So this is x2, this is x3, this is x1. Now we are checking our values. Now we're checking our question is x plus x is equal to x into x. So first we check this x1 is equal to 0, and 0 is equal to 0 into 0 to 0. 0 is equal to 0. That is correct. Our left hand side and right hand side is also equal. Now we are checking x2 is equal to minus under root 3. Now we are checking minus under root 3. So this will be minus under root 3 plus minus under root 3 plus into minus under root 3 plus into minus under root 3 is equal to minus under root 3 into minus under root 3 into minus under root 3. So this minus under root 3 minus under root 3 minus under root 3 is equal to, this will be under root of 3 into square minus under root 3, under root of 3 into square is equal to under root of 3 is equal to minus under root this 3. So this square cut by this remain under root minus 3 and also 3. This under root 3 minus under root 3 minus under root 3, this will be under root of minus 3 into 3 is equal to minus 3 into under root of 3. So this is our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we are checking our x3 is equal to under root 3. So under root our under root 3 plus under root 3 plus under root 3 is equal to under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 3. So this will be plus 3 into under root 3 is equal to plus 3 into under root 3. Our left hand side is also equal to right hand side. Now our answer is verified. Our value of x is 0 and our second value of x is minus into under root 3. Our third value of x is under root of 3. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem.